to disconnect from all intellect and let the rhythm affect. To lose the inhibition, follow your intuition, free your inner soul and break away from tradition.
Hey guys, it's me Kirk, again here with the World Monster Truck Alliance. One thing I forgot to mention on my last video is that we're going to be doing trophy trucks. You got 4 different designs here. You got the classic Chevy design, the Grave Digger chassis, the Hot Wheels Firestorm look, and the Ford design a la Northern Nightmare. With these trucks, basically, we'll have a repaint of them, a special paint scheme for our championship winner, and that will be the prize that we're giving out. Thank you again for watching.